Hi, welcome to Extreme Action Weather. I'm Dylan. It's about, I would say maybe like 57 degrees Fahrenheit right now. A lot of clouds in the sky. The water is quite overlifted. There's been a lot of rainfall the past couple of days here. But a lot of people are outside right now, and they're worried about this coronavirus, and they're worried that they have to be quarantined to their homes. I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. You can enjoy the nature and all of the beautiful things that the world has to offer, and you can leave your home. This doesn't cost money. You know, you don't have to touch anybody unless you want to, but it's all outside and it's all right here. So we're gonna go deeper in, and I'm gonna show you the forest here.
Going outside is something that everybody has been doing for thousands of generations. It's always been one of our American pastimes here in the United States of America. And I like to go outside from time to time, have a walk, maybe a smoke, and just really think about life and how I'm doing so well.
Wow, look at that shot. Clearly, we've had some KKK activity in the area.
What's good about non-filter cigarettes is you can throw them away and it's not gonna.
The fuck is that? Look, it sorted itself out.
Nature's always been a place where I could escape my problems. You know, every day you gotta take it a step at a time, and you'll defeat your demons.
Back to the news channel. Today, just made a groundbreaking discovery. We recovered this chest from the flowing waters you see beside me here, and there's strange inscriptions on the board here. We had a guy from Ancient Aliens come out. Find them later, but you know, as history goes, it went missing for a little bit, but we found it here today, and we're going to take it back to the lab, have it carbon dated just to confirm its authenticity a little bit further. But we'll get back to you on that a little bit more. Weather is picking up a bit. We have some rainfall coming down right now. The waterway is significantly over flooded. I mean, I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. And it's just really crazy. A hanging of some sort. And zombies clearly have eaten the body away. It's all gone. The fog coming in too.
Davis. Never heard him before. I've never listened to him before. I've never smoked him before. I've never drank him before. Yeah, I'm not sure. Tyler Davis.